Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing a very easy yet very important topic, that what is business. So we'll be discussing the definition of business, some important characteristics of business, and what is the necessity of a business, and also the role of profit in business. So let us begin with the definition of business, so that we should understand that what actually business is. So in the definition of business, there are 2 to 3 major keywords that you should always be knowing while defining business. And these 3 keywords are, first of all, that it is an economic activity. Obviously, anything done to earn money is an economic activity. Secondly, there will be always either production or distribution or exchange of goods and services. And thirdly, the main aim of the business is to earn money and to earn profits. So, combining all the 3 keywords, we will be defining what business actually is. Business is an activity where different person engage in different things like exchange, production and distribution of either goods or services to exchange something of value for mutual gain and benefit. So now, although we have discussed in the keywords the 3 important things, but here one new word came up, which is mutual gain. So people might have this question, that what actually mutual gain is. So we can understand mutual gain in 2 things. For example, there is a businessman who is doing a business and there is a customer. So customer needs goods and services which are produced by the businessman. So this is the businessman and these are the customers. So businessman will provide goods and services that the customers need, and in return the customers will be giving businessman some profit, or you can say the cost of that goods or services, which will be termed as money, and then it will sum up to businessman's profit. So this is actually mutual gain or benefit. Now I hope you know that what actually business is. We often use this word business, but then some of them actually don't know the exact meaning of business. Now we'll move on to the characteristics or the features of business. So we will be discussing the 3 major features or characteristics of business. The first one is that there should be continuity in dealings when you are doing a business. Now what does continuity in dealings means? For example, my father has a scooter and for once we just sell that scooter. So is that a business, or will my father become a businessman after selling his scooter? Just because that he just wants to sell it and don't want to use it, or he wants some money, will that be termed as business? No. A business would be only be considered if there is continuity in dealings. Now for example, I or my father has a showroom where he sells scooties or 2-wheelers. Then he is doing that thing on a daily basis, or in a continuity, maybe in 2 weeks, 1 week, there are customers coming in, buying those products, and the goods are getting distributed or getting exchanged to the customers. A single isolated transaction will never be considered as business. So this was the first very important characteristic of business, that the business should be on a regular basis and there should be continuity in the dealings of the business. Now moving on to the second characteristics of business. Profit motive. Profit motive is the primary or the most important aim or the objective of any business, or for that matter for a businessman. Earning profit not only gives personal motivation to expand and grow the business, but it is very essential for the survival of the business as well. So the second characteristic is profit motive. But then you should always keep in mind that business should never exploit the society in terms of earning profit. They should earn profit by fair and legal means. And the last and the third most important characteristic of business is element of risk. You must have always heard this thing, that with risk there is some return. Risk will come for a reward, which is actually profit. So now what is the element of risk in business? The major element of risk in business is there is uncertainty of profit. You cannot always have profit. there might be some time that you can also incur loss in your business. So this is the major risk that every business have in its functioning. Risk is actually part and parcel of business. With profit, there is a lot of risk that you have to take. So we have talked about one type of risk, which is the possibility of loss. What are the risks the business can face? Second thing is change in demand, customer taste, preferences. This is also a very big risk for a business. For example, I as a business is selling some clothing material to my customer. Now you also know that how often this clothing things demands keep on changing, and customers way and their preferences keeps on changing. So this is a very major risk. There can be other risk also for a business, which can be some natural things like earthquake, floods. These are also risk for business. But then again, coming back, all the risk a business cannot eliminate, but there are some risks that business can eliminate, or at least can get prepared for them by taking insurances or by correctly forecasting the demands and the taste and preferences of their customers. So these were the three most important characteristics of business. Now we'll move on to what is the necessity of business. So the first very important necessity of a business is to create employment. Now, if I'm having a business, obviously I'll be needing some people in my business that will help it to function on a daily basis. For that, I'll be needing some people in terms of employees. So in this case, it is actually providing employment to a number of people. Coming on to the second necessity of business, which is actually related to the first point itself. Now, if people will be getting employment opportunity, obviously their cost of living and their standard of living will rise up. Why? How this will happen? Obviously, when a person is earning, he or she can meet their expenses and fulfill their needs and wants and desires. So this way their standard of living is actually increasing because they have a job from which they are earning some money and then fulfilling their needs. And the third and the very important necessity of a business is that it helps a country or a nation to earn foreign exchange. Now, as a nation, no nation in the world can produce everything that its people need. It has to import some of the things from other nations to help the people of its country to fulfill their needs. Now, if you are importing something, then obviously your nation will be having something in surplus also. Now, whatever you are having in surplus, business will be exporting those things to other nations. So by exporting things, you can earn foreign exchange. So this was the third necessity of business, which is a very important necessity for a nation as a whole, as this helps a nation to develop economically and be economically independent. Now moving on to the very last topic of this video, which is what is the role of profit in a business. So there are actually two major important roles of profit in a business. The first thing is survival and the second thing is growth and expansion. So coming on to the first thing, which is survival. Now obviously as human beings, we need for survival food, water, shelter, clothing. Similarly, a business need money, capital, profit for its survival. Now if a business is going on losses from a long period of time, then its survival will be in question, because till what extent a business can incur losses, point will come that the business will decide that now it cannot incur more loss. It will decide to shut down or dissolve its business. So to avoid these things, profit is very essential. If you will be having profit, then you will be able to survive. You will be able to meet your own expenses as a business. Now moving on to growth and expansion. Now as a business, if today I am only dealing in my city, which is Lucknow, in a very small office or only in one office, and I feel that I have a good amount of profit, in my business account, and also my customers are actually liking my product and I can go for expansion and growth, then why not give it a try and expand my business? So how will you expand? Obviously, for expanding and for growth, you will be needing capital or money. From where you'll get all these things? You will be accumulating these capital and the extra money that you require from the profit earned from the business in its past. So this is how profit will help you to grow and expand. Now you are working in just Lucknow, or you are operating your business in Lucknow in one office. Maybe in coming future, if you utilize your profits in a very good way, you will be able to open 2 to 3 more office in your city, which is Lucknow, and then you might expand your business in other cities which are nearby Lucknow, or where you find that the customers will actually like your product. But these things can only happen if you have profit. Now supposingly, if your business is not at all earning profit only, then you cannot think of growth and expansion, because you will not be having that much of amount or capital or the money that will help you to grow and expand or open. So that is why profit plays a very important role in any business, and it is the major objective and the motive of a business. So in this video we have covered very simple things about business, but I hope you like this video. Many a times things are very simple, but its understanding is a must. Thank you. See you in the next video.